Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Cream dispenser. OSJ's cream whipper for the professional or home chef, fully constructed with durable, sturdy 304 food-grade stainless steel, making it less reactive and retain the food color and flavor. Ideal for coffee shops, restaurants, ice cream shops, and especially pastry chefs. Double wall vacuum insulation cream stays fresh in the refrigerator for up to 10 days. Mirror polished surface and color box packaging give the product the best protection. 100% dishwasher safe. Easy cleaning and storage thanks to the brush for the most complex parts. You can get a more thorough cleaning. On the other hand, the cloth bag for the accessories will make your storage easier and more organized. Electric pepper and salt grinder. Automatic operation. Our electric pepper and salt grinder with gravity sensor switch. You even needn't to press a button. Simply flip the grinder and you will have fresh ground spices, convenient and funny. Battery powered. Each grinder requires 6 AAA batteries. Batteries not included. Please prepare batteries in advance. Adjustable grinder. Many grinding levels for your choice allows you to grind your spices from coarse to fine. Electric pepper and salt grinder. Use a high-quality ceramic rotor. You can choose the coarseness of your spice, salt, or pepper by turning adjustment knob at the head of the grinder. 200% quality money back. 100 days. Free replacement money back if any dissatisfaction. If you find that the mill does not work after the product arrives, it is generally the case that the ceramic grinding core is stuck with granules. Electric composter. World's first smart waste electric composter. The ultimate kitchen appliance for transforming food waste into nutrient-rich natural fertilizer. Lomi is the best countertop composter for effortless waste reduction. Eco-friendly, sustainable. Turn your kitchen into a sustainable haven by converting food waste into natural fertilizer in under 24 hours. Say goodbye to waste guilt and hello to an eco-friendly lifestyle, all from your countertop. Easy to use, compact. Designed for indoor use, Lomi features a simple touch interface for effortless operation. With a sleek, space-saving 3L capacity, it's small enough to store but stylish enough to display. Reduce your carbon footprint. Using Lomi instead of sending waste to landfills can cut your carbon footprint by up to 127%. Turn food scraps into plant food. Electric skillet. Dishwasher safe and fully immersible in your sink for fast, easy cleanup upon removal of the temperature control unit. Thick cast aluminum body with black lacquer finish resists rusting or warping for added resilience. Marbleized nonstick is more durable than nonstick and will not crack or peel. It quickly releases food for a no-fuss, quick and easy cleanup. Scratch-resistant surface allows for worry-free cooking. Rapid plus even heat from our fully embedded heating element. With its trigger-release control probe, you can pinpoint temperatures of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and prevent hot spots and scorched food. 1-year warranty and US-based customer support team. The Elite Gourmet Deep Dish Electric Skillet includes base, removable thermostat, electric sandwich maker. Hot sandwiches in minutes. Save your time in the morning and make healthy and perfectly toasted gourmet press sandwiches. You can also quickly cook other meals like omelets and French toast. Simple, efficient, made of heat-resistant stainless steel with a fast heating element that provides even toasting. The power indicator light will let you know when the unit is on, while the preheat light lets you know when it's ready to cook. Hassle-free cleaning. The non-stick coating ensures effortless food release without bruising the bread and easier cleanup. Simply wipe with a clean, damp cloth once they've cooled. Maximum safety. The Cool Touch locking handle allows heat to dissipate, preventing heating up and ensuring safe operation. Has anti-skid feet to prevent accidents. Sponge holder. Rotatable spout. This kitchen sink caddy comes with a rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions, so that the water in the sponge can be directed to the sink. There won't be any water left on the countertop. You don't need to pull out the drip tray to clean it often, saving your cleaning time. Small volume sisal sponge holder is suitable for kitchens with limited space. It measures only 9.25 by 3.97 by 6.37, holds a detergent bottle, a sponge ball, and sink stopper. With an extra upgraded brush holder that can hold up to 4 small and large-sized brushes. With the Sicily Sink Caddy, you can save countertop space perfectly. Satisfaction guaranteed. The Sicily Kitchen Sink Organizer is ready to use upon receipt. No installation required, and is widely used on counters or bathrooms, making it a satisfying gift. If you have any questions during use, please consult our customer service staff. We want to provide you with a pleasant shopping experience. 2-slice toaster. 2-slice toaster for toasting 1 or 2 slices of bread at a time. 6 shade settings accommodate individual preferences. Extra wide slots for bagels and thicker slices. Each slot measures 5¼ inches long by 1¼ inches wide. Bagel setting for toasting just the cut side. Frozen setting for defrosting bread. Cancel function ends the session at any time. Buttons illuminate to indicate selected settings. Extra lift lever for safely removing smaller pieces. 37-inch power cord when routed out the back. Cord wrap when not in use. Removable crumb tray located in the back for easy cleaning. Product dimensions: approximately 11 into 6.5 into 7.5 inches, LXWXH. Coffee maker. Strong brew. Increases the strength and bold taste of your coffee's flavor. 3 cup sizes. Brew in 8, 10, or 12 ounces cup at the push of a button. Multiple cup water reservoir. 42 ounces removable reservoir lets you brew up to 4 cups before refilling. 8 ounces cup size. Fast fresh brewed. Delicious coffee made in minutes. Travel mug friendly. Removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.4 inch tall. Energy efficient. Auto off feature turns off your coffee maker 5 minutes after the last brew, helping to save energy. Compatible with the My K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee. Filter. Brew your own ground coffee, sold separately. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Precision spray nozzle. The olive oil spray bottle features a nozzle that delivers a fine mist or steady stream, offering precise control. It's perfect for drizzling or spraying, making it an essential oil bottles for kitchen. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste. Baking dish. 6-piece set. Includes 1 9 into 13 into 3 inch glass baking dish with plastic lid. 1 7 into 11 into 2.75 inch glass baking dish with plastic lid. And 1 8 into 8 into 2.75 inch glass baking dish with plastic lid. These deep baking dishes are the essentials to have in any kitchen, as they are versatile in use from prepping to baking and storing. Go deeper. Add up to 50% deeper than the Pyrex Basics dishes you know and love. There's more room to get creative. Deeper size stops spillovers, and more importantly, holds more of the good stuff for your parties and gatherings. Snug fit lids. Perfectly fitting and BPA-free plastic lids are freezer, microwave, and top rack dishwasher safe. No need to hold back when warming your food or storing your leftovers for tomorrow.